तमन्ना वो ये है कि यू नो आई एम पर्सनली अ ह्यूज महादेव भक्त एज वेल. मैं हर मंडे को मंदिर जाता हूँ एंड ऑल दैट, सो आई रिलेट विद द प्रोजेक्ट ऑन अ वेरी पर्सनल लेवल एज वेल, राइट. आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि ऐसा कुछ चीज़ रहा है जिंदगी में वेयर मे बी यू नो थिंग्स वर नॉट गोइंग राइट और यू वर अनश्योर अबाउट थिंग्स एंड उस टाइम पे आपने महादेव को प्रे किया एंड यू नो ऑलमोस्ट मिराक्युलसली एंड यू नो वंडरफुली things fell into place and you're really really happy about that situation. ऐसा कुछ रहा है जिंदगी में मोमेंट?
I really think and hi, it's so good to see you. हम हमेशा आपके साथ जब भी इंटरव्यू किया है बहुत अच्छा रहा है, बहुत ही एक हार्ट फेल्ट इंटरव्यू रहता है.
We'll do for this one as well hopefully.
We have to do but आपसे बात जब भी बात करती हूँ बहुत ही हार्ट फेल्ट कॉन्वर्जेशंस होती हैं. So thank you for coming here. I think जब ज़िंदगी में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है या हम किसी डिफ़िकल्ट जोन से गुज़र रहे होते हैं तो हम हमेशा बाहर कुछ ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं कि हमें कुछ सहारा मिल जाए कि हम समझ सकें कि क्या हो रहा है. लेकिन आई थिंक जो मैंने सीखा है महादेव को प्रे करके इज़ दैट जो भी हमें चाहिए वो हमारे अंदर ही है, हमें कहीं बाहर ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. और अगर हम अंदर सचमुच झांक के देखें तो हमें हर प्रश्न का जवाब मिल जाता है. तो यही है मेरी सीख और यही मैं फॉलो करती हूँ.
Thank you so much. We'll have a descriptive question answer later. All the best. See you very soon. Lots of love.
Thank you. Lots of love.
Hello. Hi, this side. Hi, Tamanna.
Hello.
Fantastic trailer and very commanding screen presence. Now, every project teaches an actor something about their craft that, oh, I can do this also. It surprises them in a good way.
I'm so sorry, you're a little less audible. Do you mind? Sorry.
So every project teaches an actor something about their craft that, oh, I can do this also. Maybe a difficult emotion. What did this film teach you particularly as an actor?
You know, sometimes you have to play a character for which the prep can't be physical, the prep can't be mental, the prep can't be something that you can take a reference from. That was a big actually challenge for a film like this because Shiva Shakti women, we don't have any cinematic reference for it. So that when that's the case, then you really have to be able to pull it off by trusting the unknown, by trusting what you don't know and by trusting what you don't understand. So for me, this was a very internalized kind of journey, and there were times while I was filming this where I felt like this couldn't be me because it was really beyond my logical understanding how we were able to pull off certain scenes. But I'll just leave you with one thought. The idea of making a film like this in a commercial format is that we think divinity is somewhere up there and is somewhere we have to search and find. But we really wanted this character. If you see how the character looks and feels, there's no makeup. I'm not wearing makeup. We just wanted the character to feel like you and me. Because essentially, it's us. We have divinity within us and we are constantly searching it everywhere. It's a very profound and esoteric thought. But the idea of putting it in this big commercial cinema is that somewhere, hopefully somewhere, when people leave the theaters, everyone will try to tap into devotion to find the divinity within themselves. And that's basically the reason why we made this film. Wow. I really hope this film touches everyone because at the end, good always wins over evil.
तमन्ना जी,
Thank you.
तमन्ना जी आपके सामने
ये तो मेरे फेवरेट आ गए. ओ गॉड.
हाय, थैंक यू एंड
थैंक यू.
तमन्ना जी, वो ऐसी कोई पर्सनालिटी है जिसके ऊपर आप तंत्र मंत्र की विद्या से उसके ऊपर विजय हासिल करना चाहती हैं?
ये तो आप पे ही करना पड़ेगा. फिर सारा पैपराजी मेरे मुट्ठी में होगा. व्हाट डू यू से? कर ले, सर पे ही कर ले.
अरुण सर, वश में आ जाओगे.
Then all the paparazzi, then they'll be listening to whatever I say. चलेगा? आप ही पे करना पड़ेगा.
हाय तमन्ना.
ये पापा है राजी के.
हाय तमन्ना. हाय एवरीबॉडी टू योर राइट.
हाँ जी मैम.
नेहा फ्रॉम कर्ली टेल्स एंड मैशेबल. My question is to everybody, since we are talking about Shiv Shakti and the trailer looks fantastic. What do you think about, is there any divine intervention when you guys were shooting? Is there anything that happened you guys can share with us?
Want me to tell them about it? Okay. So when we were shooting the climax of the film, we had a massive set that was put up, and there was a lot of something to the effect of different kind of rangoli that was put on the floor, and it was a part of a scene, and everywhere around our set it was raining, and it was mud.
100 meters away also.
Yeah, including 100 meters away, it was raining. And when we used to enter the set, we would be wondering how are we going to shoot? And even if we manage to arrive at shooting, how will that setup still be there for us to shoot in? And it was only Madhu sir. He was like, in our set, it will not rain. And it actually, and I'm not cooking this up, but it actually did not rain exactly where we were shooting. Wow. And I feel like, what else is divine, right? Like, it's the nature helping you to just do your job. I think that was pretty amazing and a divine intervention, I guess.
True.
Madhu sir, you'd like to add something to that? You have to. Tell us something. No? He's like, मेरे को बस ख्याल आया
मधु
मैंने
सर को
बोला।
सिर्फ पुण्य मिलने वाला है क्योंकि वो हमको महाकुंभ लेके गए हैं,
काशी भी
काशी लेके गए हैं, महाकुंभ लेके गए हैं, सारे पुण्य मधु सर को मिलने वाले हैं.
अपन कुछ बोले तो उसका पावर चले जाता, इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ भाई.
समझ गए सर.
बातों में पावर चले जाता.
पार्ट 3 बनाना पड़ेगा उसके.
अरे रुकना. तमन्ना यहाँ पे हाँ जी. हाँ जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू द टीम. दिस इज सिमरन सिंह हियर फ्रॉम डीएनए. मेरा सवाल आपसे तमन्ना कि जिस तरीके से आपका जो कैरेक्टर है यहाँ पे, यू आर लीडिंग दिस फिल्म एंड विद अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर. हम आपको बॉलीवुड में अभी देख रहे हैं, बट द ओनली थिंग दैट वी कैन सी इज दैट द सॉन्ग्स, आइटम सॉन्ग. डू यू थिंक कि अभी तक बॉलीवुड ने वो पोटेंशियल आपका नहीं पकड़ा, एंड विद दिस फिल्म वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि यू विल गेट स्ट्रॉन्गर रोल्स इन बॉलीवुड एज वेल?
I just feel like for me, every time I come out, whether it is a film, it's a song, whatever I do, I just want to make my bond with my audience stronger. And I feel like my only goal is to entertain my audiences, and I hope and wish that when people see Odela 2, it definitely leads to me, not just me, but I think a lot of women also getting parts that are not expected, and it being in a commercial framework. इसे एक छोटे स्थाई पे नहीं, लेकिन एक बहुत ही बड़े ग्रैंड स्केल पे बनाया जाए. एंड अगेन आई हैव टू से मधु सर एंड संपत सर, थैंक यू फॉर प्रेजेंटिंग दिस फिल्म एट द स्केल दैट दे हैव डन. आसान काम नहीं है. इट्स नॉट ईजी टू माउंट अ फिल्म दिस बिग. It's just a lot of faith that they have on the writing, and of course the creation completely. So yeah, I hope ये हमको, मुझे ही नहीं, सबको बहुत ज़्यादा आगे मौका दे.